In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore archived lists in Trello. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by logging into Trello. So open your web browser and navigate to the Trello homepage at trello.com. Once you're there, look for the Login button, which is typically located in the upper right corner of the page. Click that, and you'll need to sign in using either your email credentials, or if you prefer, you can simply use your Google account for a quicker login. Once you're logged in and see your Trello dashboard, you're going to need to locate the specific board that housed your archived list. Take a moment to look at the top bar, or you can scroll down to find the Your Workspaces section. There, click on the board that you're interested in. This is where the magic happens. Now, you should be on your board. Next up, we need to access the board menu. Head over to the upper right corner of the screen and you'll notice 3 dots that represent the More Options button. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. This will open a drop-down menu for you. From this menu, you will want to select the option that says Archived Items. This step is crucial because it's where all your archived data can be found. You'll typically see a variety of options here, but we're specifically interested in viewing the archived lists rather than individual cards that may have been archived. By default, the menu will likely show you the archived individual cards, so look for the button that says Switch to Lists. Click that, and just like that, you'll be able to view your archived columns instead. This is an important step, so make sure you're in the right view to find your list. Now it's time to restore your list. Scroll through the list of archived columns until you find the one you need. It might take a moment, especially if you have several archived lists, but just keep an eye out for the name or any details you might remember. Once you've found the column you're looking for, click on the option that says Send to Board next to that list. And there you go. Just like that, your archived column will instantly return to your active board. Along with it, all of its original cards will reappear, ready for you to use again. That's all there is to it. Restoring archived lists in Trello is a simple process once you know the steps. If you've enjoyed this tutorial and you think others might find it helpful too, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like. It really helps me continue creating more useful content for you. Thanks for watching and happy organizing with Trello.